We are back by popular demand. So here we are taking our flaky layer biscuits and separating them. Yes, it does matter if they are flaky layers. They are easier to pull apart. And then also you don't need an entire one in each muffin tin. So you can go ahead, separate that. So one biscuit actually makes 2 servings here. Perfect. Now, what I want to know, you guys, is for your summer fun out there, do you have any favorite easy appetizers that you love to whip together? Let's say 3 ingredients or less. So you have until the end of this video to come up with what your favorite easy appetizer is that you love to share at your summer get-togethers. This here, backed by popular demand, both from you guys and my belly for sure today. So we are touching base back around with a couple delicious easy things that we love whipping together in the sweet summertime. So just go ahead, separate all those biscuits. We are moving right along. Oh my goodness, I am hungry already. My mouth is watering. So now all I did was I went to my local grocery store and got my favorite spinach dip right here, you guys. This already has Parmesan cheese right inside there, everything that you need. It's creamy and super tasty. I love this stuff. And if you have a favorite spinach dip, let us know about it. I don't know, maybe you have an easy recipe and make your own. But you can see all I'm doing here is I'm taking my melon ball scooper and I'm just cruising right through here, filling up 1 melon ball scooper right here into these biscuits that I just lined right into my muffin tin. I mean, honestly, how easy is that? And now check this out. I have just enough there, perfect amount to fill all of these up. That looks fantastic. Now look at how easy that was. Anybody can do this, and just wait, you are gonna love these. But first, let's stick them in the oven at 350. They're gonna cook for about, I'd say 12 minutes. Keep an eye on them towards the end, and of course, make them be just the way that you would like them, but a little golden brown on the top is gonna deliver that underneath, and it is going to be so great. You guys are gonna love this. Oh yeah, baby. Look at how amazing those look. And seriously, more importantly, how easy was that? They look fabulous. They were so easy to put together. I love the golden brown on the top. Now watch, when you put these biscuits in this muffin tin, I'm gonna lift this one up right here in the front. Oh, it's just gonna slide right out. Look at that. It makes the perfect serving, and there's nothing more than I love than the spinach dip, but of course there are so many options, and if you have ideas, definitely share them with us. In the meantime, I'm going to invite David over here so he can help scarf these down with me, because we've worked so hard today. I think that we deserve some really good food and snacks right now.
On my way.
All right, David, come on down. It's your lucky day. Every day's your lucky day, I mean, right?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Good answer. Good answer. Okay, so pick your poison. I'm going to go with this one right here in the front because I already put my fingers all over it, and it looks so good. Oh, cheers. It just hits every time. Every time it hits. Spinach dip is my favorite go-to inside of these little biscuits that we just stuffed inside of our muffin tin. There are so many options, you guys. If you've ever tried anything else, write it in the comments. Share your ideas, you guys. Thanks for being a part of this community. As always, you can find the recipes in the comments. We'll see you guys later. Have a great week. Enjoy.